My strength comes from sulfur compounds activated when you damage my cells. S-allylcysteine, a stabilinoids and selenium for cell protection. I'm nutrient-dense too. Even in small amounts I provide manganese and vitamin B6 for metabolism and brain health. Inside your body, I get to work. I boost immune readiness and prepare your defense cells. Powerful antioxidant, fights cellular oxidative stress, aids natural detox. My sulfur supports your body's cleanup. Use me wisely. Respect my strength. My scent is part of my power. It means I'm working.